The Barbie 350Z is back. Now, to be fair, the car never really left, but with all the other builds and priorities and everything going on, I know the Barbie Z has not been on the channel as much, and I've gotten a lot of questions about her. I still have this car. I absolutely love this car. I don't think I would ever get rid of this car unless I had like a Barbie 2.0 vehicle, but she is back, and I actually have been driving her a few times the past few months, but it's only been a few laps here and there around the compound, and I got to drive it this past weekend when we had a barbecue here.
Oh. Rip it! Mételo!
That was me, girl. That was all me.
He said I couldn't breathe in there. He said I couldn't breathe. What's up? Today I'm actually just getting a few things ready on the car for an event tomorrow, but that's gonna be in this same video for our Clean Culture LZMFG West Palm Beach event, and I'm gonna drive the car there. Now, a few things. I've never had working headlights on this car. It's been a big problem. I got them fixed for Drift Week and then they kept going out again. So Nick ended up figuring out the issue, fixed some wiring. Both the ballasts were bad. So I got new ballast, but I'm also putting on different headlights. These were just in slightly better condition than the ones that were currently on the car. And I stole these from the Vert 350Z, and I'm gonna put them on the Barbie car, getting ready for the event tomorrow. Also, for the event tomorrow, we're gonna be drifting at night. And I feel like every single drift event that's at night, I don't have underglow. Like there's a problem with that. So I'm going to also be installing this Type S kit on the car. Now, I did previously install another kit and kind of ran through the wiring, so I haven't had underglow working on this car in probably a year or so. So I'm really excited to not only get a Type S kit on here, but finally have proper underglow on this car, and especially for the event tomorrow. The few laps that I did do around the compound, you can tell I got a few new battle scars. Got the door dented in. I bet you can guess who did that. Got some more Adam battle scars on this side of the car and on the passenger side of the car as well. And one last thing, two last things. I ended up putting some pink bulbs in the headlights, so I think that's gonna make a pretty cool difference. That is not all. I'll show you guys tomorrow when I'm gonna load up the car, but I also have brand new Heritage KOKORO heart wheels for the Barbie car. So I'm just stoked to have the Barbie 350Z back on the channel, and I'm excited for some really awesome driving at tomorrow's event. First thing I'm gonna get started on tonight though is our Type S underglow kit. removing all of my old underglow. So boom, all that is out right there. There is more wiring that I need to get out from the engine bay, but that is good for now. I'm just mind blown on the size difference of the LEDs by Type S versus the former ones I had on. Can you look at this for a second? So these are the Type S Pro Kit LED strips, and this is what I previously had on my car. This is gonna be a massive difference. In addition to my old ones just not working anymore, I didn't realize these were gonna be such an upgrade. So I'm stoked to get these on the car. I'm gonna clean off the areas that I'm looking at for mounting these, and then start putting these on the car. Okay, it's the next day. I went home for dinner because I started all this really late, and I passed out. And now it is the day of the Clean Culture LZMFG event, so I need to finish up this underglow so I can rock it tonight. So I'm gonna go as fast as I can, get the rest of the underglow on. I already have both the driver and passenger side strips on, so that is great. And now I just need the front and the back of the car, which should be pretty easy. The front one, I'm just gonna put probably just right here. And then for the rear, I think I'm gonna put the rear just right under here. Whew, that is super dirty. So I'm gonna get that done as fast as I can, as I still gotta go pick up my tires, load up my trailer. I should be okay though. I have like two hours to do all this. We should be good. Let's get it. long time since this car has had underglow, and I've never had underglow on this car that is this bright. So I'm really excited to see it tonight at the event. I am rushing though, because I need to show you guys the new Heritage wheels that I have for this car, put the wheels on this car, load up the trailer, and then head over to West Palm Beach. So for now, just get these headlights on the car. For all of the wiring and the main modules, I put over here where the battery and fuse box is located, and all the extra wire and everything as well, I shoved like in that corner and zip tied as much as I could to make it look nicer. Figured that's the best area since there's literally wiring from factory there with the fuse box and everything. And I do like that the sides and then the front and the back each have individual like fuses. So if something goes out or something goes wrong, you have a short, you can diagnose it for each section of their underglow. There are some other kits that it's just all connected into one fuse. So I really like that, and the more fuses, like the better anyway. But I'm stoked on how the underglow turns out. I'm going to throw on our headlights. Ran to the shop. I loaded my truck up with my new wheels so I can show you guys. I'm gonna just throw them on the car, front and the rear, and then I have spares to the track that we're gonna load in the trailer right now. So I'm just gonna rush through all this so I can get on the road. I absolutely love the new Heritage KOKORO Heart wheels on this car. This is my absolute favorite color pink. In fact, I wish my entire car was this color, but this sparked another idea. So the wheels with this fuchsia pink really match the pattern and everything that I have going on in the interior, because I have more shades of pink in the interior. So I'm thinking these wheels might have inspired 350Z Barbie 2.0. So I might take that same color and have that color be the accent for everything versus the neon yellow. So do the bash bars, same color, and do all my stickers in it. Oh no, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. I made it. I'm already on the road. I was stopping to get gas and it just downpoured on me, but I have gas to the Z and I'm about an hour away. I'm only gonna be 30 minutes later than I planned on being, so I'll take that and roll with it. But you know, Florida, doing traditional Florida things. Oh my God. There's an insane fire up there. All right, we made it. I showed up and within like less than 10 minutes, my car is already unloaded. We got Adam on fuel. We have the air compressors going in the front. We're setting it to 70 in the front, 30 in the rear. And then Adam's gonna take my car out first to see how it feels with this specific layout. And then I'm gonna get to do some laps. I'm only a little bit late, so we made it though. And these pink wheels and this shade of pink is growing on me so much.